everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and let me show you why I've been loving this dinnerware that will last for a long time without breaking. I'm loving my 12-piece dinnerware set by FINE&NICE. I love the fact that it comes with 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls. This is just what I was looking for. I appreciate the very modern design it has and this beautiful color. I was also looking for dishes that were going to last. These are unbreakable, which is great for outdoors and indoors since they're made out of melamine. I love everything about this set. You can stack them, so this is great if you have a small kitchen and you're trying to save some space. And I also love the fact that I've been testing them and they won't break. So if you have little ones, you don't have to worry about them getting hurt or cut or breaking your dishes. These plates are fascinating. They would make the perfect gift. They have a variety of other colors. I love the quality of them. I love how every and each one of my dishes look with this beautiful white color. I highly recommend these dinnerware sets by FINE&NICE. I love them and I know you will love them as well. This dinnerware is durable, it's high quality, it's super stylish, and I'm loving this color, and that is my point of view.